Welcome to the Mulberry Cleaning Wizard. This environmentally friendly wizard cleans almost anything without the need for expensive chemicals or detergents. Just add water and wipe away stubborn marks from wood, tiles, steel. Use it anywhere. Watch how the cleaning wizard removes dirt and oil from this dirty bike. It works where normal sponges don't work. It also removes stubborn crayon and pencil marks from painted surfaces and marble tiles. Cleaning Wizard is ideal around the kitchen, such as on ovens, hobs, fridges and cooking accessories. Tough, dried tea stains are usually a real job to get off, but the Cleaning Wizard wipes them totally away effortlessly in seconds. Cleaning Wizard removes tough water stains from this coffee maker. Cleaning Wizard is perfect for stainless steel and removing limescale marks. And watch how easily this black shoe mark disappears from this gleaming white kitchen unit. Cleaning Wizard is not only useful around the house, it also cleans your car, removing sticky brake dust from alloy wheels. And watch how easily it cleans grimy road dirt from bodywork, leaving it gleaming without the use of harsh chemicals. Back in the house, Cleaning Wizard has many other uses. See how it cleans dirt and scuff marks from trainers in seconds, leaving them like new. Cleaning Wizard also removes scratches from wooden floors. Cleaning Wizard not only leaves things in and around the house shiny and new, but it also works in the workplace, offices, restaurants, garages, boats, and more. Cleaning Wizard by Mulberry Innovations.